Welcome back to the channel. If you love smart kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're revealing 10 incredible kitchen products you need before they sell out in 2026, featuring innovative tools and must-have appliances that are making a big impact this year. From time-saving cooking essentials to clever gadgets that simplify everyday tasks, these products offer outstanding performance and value. Stick around until the end to see which kitchen upgrade deserves a spot in your home. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, 8-quart, is a versatile multi-cooker designed to replace several kitchen appliances by functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sautepan, yogurt maker, food warmer, and sterilizer. Its spacious 8-quart capacity makes it ideal for large families, meal prepping, and batch cooking, while the stainless steel inner pot provides even heat distribution and easy cleaning. In real-world use, it cooks meals significantly faster than traditional methods, producing tender meats, fluffy rice, soups, stews, and yogurt with consistent results. And the intuitive controls make it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks to operate. The included recipe app with over 800 recipes adds inspiration and helps users get the most out of the appliance. Build quality is excellent, with durable stainless steel construction and multiple built-in safety features that enhance confidence during pressure cooking. Compared with similar multi-cookers like the Ninja Foodi, the Instant Pot Duo focuses on simplicity and reliability, although it does not include air frying functionality found in some competing models. Pros: versatile 7-in-1 functionality, large 8-quart capacity for family meals, and durable stainless steel construction with user-friendly controls. Cons: no built-in air fryer feature, large size requires ample counter and storage space, and there is a learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users. Overall, it offers outstanding value for money and is highly recommended for busy families, home cooks, and meal preppers looking for a dependable, all-in-one cooking appliance. On number 2 is the Anybear Cold Press Juicer, is a versatile 350W masticating juicer designed to extract juice, make nut milk, and prepare sorbet while preserving nutrients through its slow squeezing technology. Its standout 4.9-inch wide feed chute accommodates many whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time and making daily juicing more convenient. In real-world use, it produces smooth juice with minimal foam and a relatively dry pulp, while operating quietly enough for early morning use. The BEPA-free Triton construction feels durable and food-safe, and the simple assembly makes cleaning and maintenance easier than many traditional juicers. Compared with centrifugal juicers, the Anybear delivers higher juice yield and better nutrient retention, although the juicing process is slower due to its cold press design. Pros: wide feed chute reduces cutting and preparation, efficient, slow squeezing technology produces high juice yield, and versatile enough for juice, nut milk, and sorbet. Cons: slower operation than centrifugal models. Soft fruits may require occasional cleaning during use, and multiple parts need washing after each session. Overall, it offers excellent value for money and is a great choice for health-conscious individuals, families, and anyone looking for a reliable cold-pressed juicer that balances performance, convenience, and versatility at a competitive price. On number 3 is the Brita Marella Filter Jug XL, is a practical water filtration pitcher designed to improve the taste and quality of tap water while reducing impurities such as chlorine, limescale, and certain metals. With a generous 3.5-liter capacity and an included Maxtra Pro Filter cartridge, it is well suited for families or individuals who regularly use filtered water for drinking, cooking, and hot beverages. In real-world use, it provides noticeably fresher tasting water and helps reduce limescale buildup in kettles and coffee machines, while the flip-top lid allows for quick, one-handed refilling. The polypropylene construction feels durable and lightweight, and the slim design fits comfortably in most refrigerator doors for convenient storage. Compared with standard water filter pitchers, the Brita Marella XL stands out for its larger capacity and efficient Maxtra Pro filtration, although it requires regular filter replacements to maintain optimal performance. Pros: large 3.5-liter capacity for fewer refills, effective Maxtra Pro filtration that improves water taste, and user-friendly design with an easy fill lid. Cons: replacement filters add ongoing maintenance costs, filtration takes a few minutes per refill, and the pitcher requires regular cleaning to keep it hygienic. Overall, it offers excellent value for money and is highly recommended for households looking for an affordable, convenient, and reliable way to enjoy cleaner, better-tasting water every day. On number 4 is the 4-Slice Toaster with dual touchscreen, is a modern kitchen appliance designed to toast multiple bread types efficiently while offering independent control over each pair of slots. Powered by an 1800W heating system, it features dual touchscreen controls, extra-wide 1.5-inch slots, and a smart bread ID timer that automatically adjusts settings for items like bagels, waffles, and thicker artisan breads. In real-world use, it delivers fast, even browning with the flexibility to prepare different foods at separate settings simultaneously, making it especially convenient for busy families. The stainless steel construction feels sturdy and premium, while the intuitive touchscreen interface adds a sleek, modern look and is easy to operate. Compared with traditional dial-controlled toasters, this model stands out with its digital controls, precise timing, and dual-zone functionality, although it comes at a higher price and relies on electronic controls that may not appeal to users who prefer simpler designs. Pros: independent dual-zone controls for versatile toasting, extra-wide slots accommodate thick breads and bagels, and modern touchscreen with Smart Bread ID timer for precise results. Cons: touchscreen controls may require a learning period, larger footprint takes up more counter space, and premium features increase the overall cost. Overall, it offers excellent value for households seeking convenience, versatility, and consistent toasting performance, making it a great choice for families and anyone who frequently prepares a variety of breakfast foods. On number 5 is the Braun MultiQuick 7.3 in 1 Immersion blender, is a versatile handheld kitchen appliance designed to blend, chop, whisk, and process a wide variety of ingredients, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for everyday cooking. Equipped with a powerful motor and multiple attachments, including a food processor, whisk, and blending shaft, it easily handles soups, purees, smoothies, sauces, dips, and light food preparation tasks. In real-world use, it delivers smooth, consistent blending with minimal splashing, while the ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it comfortable to use even during longer prep sessions. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable materials and sturdy attachments that feel built to withstand regular use. Compared with standard immersion blenders, the MultiQuick 7 offers greater versatility thanks to its food processor attachment, although it has a higher price and requires additional storage space for the accessories. Pros: versatile 3-in-1 functionality with multiple attachments, powerful motor for fast and consistent blending, and comfortable ergonomic design with solid build quality. Cons: accessories require extra storage space, cleaning multiple attachments can take more time, and it is more expensive than basic stick blenders. Overall, it offers excellent value for home cooks who want a reliable and multifunctional kitchen tool, and I highly recommend it for anyone looking to simplify food preparation without investing in several separate appliances. On number 6 is the Foodi NeverDull 14-piece knife block set, Anybear 3244. Is a comprehensive kitchen knife collection designed for home cooks who want durable, sharp, and versatile cutting tools for everyday food preparation. The set includes essential stainless steel knives, steak knives, kitchen shears, and a built-in NeverDull knife sharpener integrated into the storage block, helping maintain sharp edges with minimal effort. In real-world use, the knives deliver precise, comfortable cutting for slicing meat, chopping vegetables, and preparing fruits, while the ergonomic handles provide a secure grip during extended cooking sessions. The stainless steel blades feel sturdy and retain their edge well with regular use, and the sleek black knife block adds a modern touch to any countertop. Compared with traditional knife sets that require a separate sharpening tool, the Ninja NeverDull system offers added convenience by keeping blades consistently sharp, although it is priced higher than many entry-level alternatives. Pros: built-in NeverDull sharpener for easy blade maintenance, durable stainless steel knives with comfortable handles, and a complete 14-piece set for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Cons: knife block occupies noticeable counter space, premium price compared to basic knife sets, and hand washing is recommended to help preserve blade performance. Overall, it offers excellent value for home cooks seeking long-lasting performance and convenience, making it a highly recommended investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a reliable, all-in-one knife set. On number 7 is the Govee Wireless Meat Thermometer. B519211 is a smart cooking accessory designed to provide accurate, real-time temperature monitoring for grilling, smoking, roasting, and baking without the hassle of wired probes. Equipped with 2 IP68 waterproof wireless probes and Wi-Fi connectivity for virtually unlimited remote monitoring through the Govee app, it allows users to track food temperatures from almost anywhere with an internet connection. In real-world use, it delivers fast, reliable temperature readings and customizable alerts, making it easy to cook steaks, poultry, and barbecue to the desired doneness without constantly checking the grill or oven. The probes are durable, easy to clean, and compatible with grills, smokers, ovens, and rotisseries, while the intuitive app enhances convenience with cooking presets and progress tracking. Compared with basic Bluetooth meat thermometers, the Govee model offers the advantage of Wi-Fi connectivity for much greater monitoring range, though it relies on a stable wireless connection and requires regular charging of the probes. Pros: unlimited Wi-Fi monitoring with real-time alerts, 2 waterproof probes for cooking multiple foods simultaneously, and accurate temperature tracking with an easy-to-use mobile app. Cons: premium price compared to standard Bluetooth thermometers, probes require periodic recharging, and full functionality depends on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Overall, it offers excellent value for barbecue enthusiasts, home chefs, and anyone who enjoys precision cooking, making it a highly recommended smart thermometer for achieving consistently great results. On number 8 is the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus Fully Automatic Espresso Machine is a premium bean-to-cup coffee maker designed to deliver calf-quality beverages with minimal effort, making it an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts and busy households. It features a built-in grinder, intuitive touchscreen display, automatic milk frothing system, and over 18 one-touch coffee recipes, while supporting up to 4 user profiles to save personalized drink preferences. In real-world use, it consistently produces rich espresso, creamy cappuccinos, lattes, and other specialty drinks with fresh ground beans, and the automatic milk steam wand creates smooth, velvety foam without requiring barista skills. The build quality is excellent, with durable components and a sleek, modern design that complements contemporary kitchens, while the touchscreen interface makes navigation simple and user-friendly. Compared with similar fully automatic machines from Philips, the Magnifica Plus offers more drink customization and user profile support, although it comes at a higher price and requires routine cleaning of the milk system. Pros: over 18 one-touch coffee recipes with customizable user profiles, integrated grinder and automatic milk frothing for calf-style drinks, and premium build quality with an intuitive touchscreen. Cons: premium price compared to entry-level espresso machines, regular maintenance is needed for optimal performance, and it occupies a noticeable amount of countertop space. Overall, it delivers excellent value for coffee lovers seeking convenience, customization, and consistently high-quality beverages, making it a highly recommended investment for home use. On number 9 is the once-for-all safe Mandoline Slicer 5-in-1 vegetable chopper. Is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify meal preparation by slicing, julienning, dicing, and cutting a wide variety of fruits and vegetables with speed and precision. Its adjustable slicing thickness from 0.1 mm to 8 mm allows users to create everything from paper-thin cucumber slices to thicker potato cuts, while the integrated safety design helps keep hands away from the blades for safer operation. In real-world use, it significantly reduces prep time for salads, stir-fries, fries, and garnishes, delivering consistent cuts with minimal effort. The sturdy construction feels durable, and the compact design makes it easy to store, while the interchangeable functions eliminate the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. Compared with traditional Mandoline slicers, this model offers improved safety and greater versatility with its 5-in-1 functionality, although it may not process very soft ingredients as efficiently as premium food processors. Pros: adjustable slicing thickness with multiple cutting functions, enhanced safety design for safer operation, and compact, durable construction that speeds up meal prep. Cons: blades require careful cleaning after use, very soft fruits may not slice as cleanly, and some users may need time to learn all cutting functions. Overall, it offers excellent value for money and is highly recommended for home cooks who want a safer, space-saving, and efficient tool for preparing vegetables and fruits quickly. On number 10 is the BLACK+DECKER ice cream maker for families and kids. Is a convenient countertop appliance designed to make homemade ice cream, gelato, milkshakes, and other frozen treats with the flexibility to use protein-rich, keto-friendly, or dairy-free ingredients. Its simple operation and mix-in capability allow users to customize flavors with fruits, nuts, chocolate chips, or cookies, making it ideal for families and anyone with specific dietary preferences. In real-world use, it produces smooth and creamy frozen desserts with minimal effort once the ingredients are properly prepared, and the intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to use. The compact design fits comfortably on most kitchen counters, while the sturdy construction feels durable enough for regular use. Compared with traditional ice cream makers, this model offers greater convenience for creating personalized recipes at home, although it may have fewer advanced settings than premium alternatives like the Ninja Creami. Pros: supports customizable recipes including keto and dairy-free options, easy-to-use design with mix-in functionality, and compact build suitable for home kitchens. Cons: dessert texture depends on proper ingredient preparation, smaller batch size than larger ice cream makers, and limited advanced customization compared to higher-end models. Overall, it offers excellent value for families, health-conscious users, and dessert lovers who want an easy way to create fresh, personalized frozen treats at home, making it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen.